all this yummy chocolate we get to taste. Wow. Chocolate from Dominican Republic? We've been there. And chocolate from Tanzania? We've been there too. Look at those bags of coffee beans. Look, the beans are even spilling out the bag.
Oh, wow!
Look at this cacao fruit. It's what chocolate is made from. This is the inside of a cacao fruit? Looks slimy.
Ew!
The bean isn't that good either. Now we're talking chocolate! Did you know that chocolate chip cookies were made by accident? Yeah! She's taking the beans out the bag and putting them into the machine to get rid of everything that doesn't belong. Look, this is what they found before. A feather, a marble, even a barbed wire. Look at this big old yellow machine.
Wow!
I wonder what this whoa, it's starting up. The beans come through there, then down there, and here they come. Look at all those cocoa beans. Now up the conveyor belt, dropped into another bucket, and then rolled out. Mixed with all this sugar. Hey, where are you going with that chocolate? Oh, never mind.
Chocolate!
Here's some melted chocolate we can try.
Thank you.
And another machine, look. Melting the chocolate, then pouring the chocolate, and then cooling the chocolate. And in this room, they wrap the chocolate in gold foil.
Ooh.
And stack it up. And then send it out to me. Look at my bite mark. Oh, thank you. What's this? I can use this card and get a free hot chocolate. One hot chocolate, please. Yummy! And a marshmallow? Whoa! Lombard Street is full of twists and turns. I don't want to spill my hot chocolate. See you later, San Francisco. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye!